Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is me Aditi. I hope all of you guys are doing well. So in today's video, I'm gonna share my top 10 blushes. Like these are the only blushes that I use, and actually these are the only blushes that I actually own. So I actually been very fortunate enough that I bought all of these blushes, and all of these blushes are actually turned out to be very good quality. I am actually a blush person. If you've been following me, you must know that I just love blush so much. I cannot do my makeup without blush. I mean, if I don't have blush on my face, my makeup is not complete. I just cannot think of makeup without blush. Even I just wear blush without makeup as well because I just love the effect blush gives to your face. It just makes you look so much youthful and fresh. I just love blush so much. So yeah, if you guys are interested, then please continue watching. But before that, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos coming your way. And you can share this video with the family and friends. And yeah, with that, let's get started. So the first blush that I'm going to talk about is this one. This is the Color Bar Matte Illusion Blush, and this is in the shade 03 Flushed Satin. So first, let me just take a moment and appreciate the packaging. This packaging is so damn beautiful and it's really small, so you can actually travel with this. And once you open this up like this has a magnetic closure, if you guys can see, so which makes it so good and travel friendly. And this is the shade that I am actually wearing right now. I just love this blush so much these days, and the staying power of this blush is amazing. I mean, if you apply this in the morning, this is going to stay on your face till the evening. Like I actually tested this product and few days back, and this actually stayed on my face for very long period of time. Blushes is something which actually doesn't really stay on your face for that long period of time, but this one does stay. This is a matte blush. I think you guys can clearly see that this is a matte blush. So I just love this formula, the texture, the feel of this blush, and it just applies beautifully. Let me just give you a swatch of this. So you can see this is the shade right here, and this is such a beautiful mauvey shade. So this is a beautiful blush. If you are a beginner, you can work with this so easily because this is not extremely pigmented. If you're a beginner and you don't know how to apply blush and any other product, and if that is super pigmented, you can actually end up ruining your makeup. But this is not that pigmented. You can definitely build it up, but you can actually control the application, which is so damn good. So I really love everything about this blush. This comes in, I think, 4 to 5 different shades. So if you want other shades as well, you can go for those are also really beautiful shades, but this one in particular, I just love the shade so much, and I highly recommend this one. Now the next blush that I have here is this one. This is the K Beauty Matte Blush, and this one is in the shade Soft Nude. This one retails for $7.99, which is a bit expensive than the Color Bar one, so you can make your own choice. But this one also is a really beautiful blush, you guys. And this one comes in different age shades, and you've got so many different shades in this particular blush, like the pinks, the corals, the purple, like what not. I really appreciate the shade range of this blush, and the formula is so buttery soft. The packaging, I just love K Beauty packaging. Once you open this up, you have got a gigantic mirror right here, which is like so good quality. This is the shade right here. I have this one in the shade Soft Nude. I just love this blush so much. This is extremely pigmented. This is the one thing that I want to say very clearly, that this is quite pigmented. So you want to take the tiniest amount of this. You don't want to go overboard with this one, and you don't want to do this with your brush. You just want to touch your brush and then apply that on your face. I just can't resist. When I just see this blush, I just feel like applying this, and that is what I'm gonna do. I already have blush on my face, but I still want to apply this. So you want to just take this blush like this, dust off the excess, and then you can see, right, this is here on the brush, and then apply that on your face. So that way you don't actually end up applying a lot of it. If you just go like this, you can actually mess your base completely. So just go very slow, and just if you want more, you can definitely build it up. But if you apply it directly so much, it's really tough to tone it down. So just go very slow, and you can see that the shade is so damn beautiful, you guys. I just love this shade so much. And can you see that? This is so damn beautiful. So you can see, right, this is the K Beauty blush and this is the Calabar one. So you can see the difference of these two shades, and this is extremely pigmented, as I said. So just be very careful, but the shade is so pretty, you guys. So I just highly recommend this one. So you get 8.5 gram of product in this particular blush, which is, I would say, quite a lot amount of this. I mean, if you paying 7.99 bucks, but you're getting so much amount of product, and this is going to last you for very long period of time. So I highly recommend this one. The Calabar one, you get actually 4 gram of product, right? So there is like this, the K Beauty one is just double in amounts. You can just make your own choice which one you want to go for. Both of these are amazing blushes, all, and both of these are matte, so you can make your own choice. I just love both of these blushes so much. So the next blush that I'm going to talk about is this one, and I would say this is my all-time favorite blush. The blush that I'm talking about is this one. This is the Wet n Wild Color Icon blush, and the shade that I have is Mellow Wine. So the packaging is something that I really don't like, but I think they have upgraded their packaging, which is so needed. But the product that you're getting is so damn good, you guys. This is the shade right here, which is so damn beautiful. This shade is going to look beautiful on, you know, medium to dusky skin tone. So this is the Wet n Wild shade right here. So you can see this is such a beautiful shade. I'm gonna swatch all these shades right here so you can actually compare all the shades, you know, because I'm just giving you a very closer look so you can make your own decision which shade you wanna go for. This is the Wet n Wild one, this is the K Beauty one, and this is the Calabar one. So you can see the shades, right? So this blush retails for 3.99 bucks, which is so affordable for the quality that you're getting. I mean, this blush is so damn good, and the quantity that you are getting is 5.85 gram, which is quite a lot of amount. This is also quite pigmented, so you don't want to use a lot of it. Just go very slow and you can easily build it up. This is not going to dry up your skin at all. So if you're looking for a good quality matte blush, affordable as well, like everything is there, and the packaging also is upgraded now. So I think this is a bomb product, and I don't have anything bad to say about this one. So I just love this blush so much, and I highly recommend this one. So the next blush that I have is this one. This is the Sugar Contour de Force Mini Blush, and this is in the shade 02 Pink Pinnacle. The packaging you can see is a magnetic closure again, which is again a really good thing. And this is the shade right here. Such a beautiful pink shade, like it's a bright pink shade, and this is again very pigmented, you guys. So you just need tiniest amount of this product on your face. This is again a beautiful blush, super affordable. This one retails for 3.99 bucks, and you get 4 gram of product, which is quite a lot of amount, and you get 4 different shades in this particular range. So you are going to get, you know, such beautiful shades, and the formula of this one is so damn good. This is not at all trying, and as I said, this is quite actually pigmented, so you don't need a lot of amount of this. You just want to touch your brush again. This, you know, as I just shown you guys with the K Beauty blush, that is exactly how you want to use this blush again, because this is extremely pigmented. So you just want to touch your brush, dust off the excess, and then apply on your face. This is also again quite buildable, so just go slow and build it up according to your choice. So this right here is the Sugar one, and you can see this is quite pink. This is a true pink, you know, blush. So if you are just, you know, a lover of those pink cheeks, just go for this one, you guys. This is a true pink blush, and this is going to look so damn beautiful. So the next blush that I have is again from the same range, which is this one. This is the Sugar Contour de Force Mini Blush, and the shade that I have is 05 Coral Climax. So you guys, this is a true coral shade. I mean, I don't apply these kind of shades that often, but when I'm doing like a full face of like proper high coverage and a proper Indian makeup, then I just go for this particular shade, because this is so damn beautiful. I just like these kind of shades, like pink or mauve shades, but sometimes when I want something different, this is the kind of shade that I go for. And this is such a beautiful, beautiful shade. Again, this is going to look so beautiful on so many different skin tones. And just let me just give you a swatch of this, because the formula is exactly same, the previous one that I've talked about, the Pink Pinnacle one and this one. Both of these are like extremely pigmented blushes. So this is the previous one, which is the 02 Pink Pinnacle, and this one is 05 Coral Climax. And you can see the difference, in both of these shades. These are like extremely different from one another, and this is extremely pink, and this is a true coral shade. The formula again is exactly the same, so I don't know if I have to explain anything about this. The same price point, 399 bucks, and you get 4 gram of products, so affordable and so good quality. So I have one more blush from Sugar, and this is from this palette. This is the Sugar Contour de Force face palette, and the shade is 01 Subtle Summit. So you know this palette, if you guys know, you've got 3 different products: a bronzer, a highlight, and a blush. And this blush, you guys, is a beautiful, beautiful shade. So both of those blushes that I just shown you from the brand Sugar, those are like quite bold blushes, and when you're doing proper bold makeup, then you can apply those blushes. But this one right here is, you can see, is a really beautiful pinky and a very I would say a nude shade. So when you're going for a no makeup kind of a look, or when you want to do a very natural and a very subtle everyday kind of a look, you want to go with this kind of a blush. Again, this is a matte blush. The formula is exactly the same, you guys. So this is the shade right here, you guys, and you can clearly see both those shades. This is the Pink Pinnacle and the Climax one, the Coral Climax. If you are a person who loves to wear like those no makeup looks and very natural subtle makeup looks, this is the shade that you should definitely go for. You would absolutely love this one, trust me. So the next blush that I'm going to talk about is this one. This is the Maybelline New York Fit Me blush, and the shade is Rose. This one is not a matte blush. All the other blushes that I've just shown you, those were all matte blushes, but this one is not a matte blush. This one has got, very nicely milled shimmer particles. Let me just give you a closer look. So this is gonna give you a really beautiful, nice glow on your face, but if you have textured skin, you still can use this blush, you guys, trust me, because this is not at all gonna emphasize the texture of your skin, because as I said, the shimmer particles are very nicely milled and the quantity also is very less. It's more of a matte blush, but I would not call it a matte blush because obviously this has little bit of shimmer particles in it. So this is a perfect blush for everyday use, because this is going to give you a really nice glow on your face. So and the shade also, this particular shade, which is Rose, is very nice nude pink color, which is super wearable for your college and your office. Like, these are the shades that you can wear, right? Those dark pink and coral shades are not something that you can actually wear in your daily use and in your office or college, but these are the shades which comes very handy. So I really, really love this shade. And when you're going for a no makeup look and a very subtle and a very natural look, this is the kind of blush that you should go for. And I personally really wear this blush so much because I just love the shade, and this is going to suit I would say most of the Indian skin tones. If you have like extremely deep skin tone, I don't know if this is going to show on your skin or not. I'm not really sure, but if you have like fair to medium skin, or maybe just a little bit deep skin tone, this can actually really be a really beautiful blush for you. So I really, really love this blush. So this blush retails for 440 bucks, and you have got 6 beautiful shades in this particular one, and the amount that you are getting is 4.5 gram of product, which is quite a lot of amount of this. This is not extremely pigmented, so you can definitely build it up. And this is the right amount of pigment. If you're a beginner, I think this is the blush that you should definitely try. Or you can actually control the application of this, and you can definitely build it up. So I highly recommend this one. So the next blush that I'm going to talk about is this one. This is the L'Oreal Paris Color Powder Blush, and this is in the shade 08 City Explorer. First of all, I just want to say that the packaging of this blush is so damn beautiful. I mean, just look at it. This golden plating right here, this black, really shiny material, and L'Oreal Paris is written right here. I mean, the packaging is so damn beautiful and it feels so luxurious when you carry, when you just hold it in your hand. So this is how the blush looks like. Let me just give you a closer look. And again, if you guys can see, this has also shimmer particles. So now, all the blushes that I'm going to show you are illuminating blushes. Before that, I've shown you all the matte blushes. Now these are the illuminating blushes, and again this one has got shimmer particles, and the quantity of shimmer particles is quite high in this one, but again this is so nicely milled, so this is again not gonna emphasize the texture of your skin, and this works beautifully for me. The shade is so damn beautiful, and this blush retails for $750, and you have got, I think, 3 shades in this one particularly. So again, as I said, that this one has got shimmer particles in it, but those are like very nicely milled, so that is again not gonna emphasize the texture of your skin. Like, everyone has got texture, right? I do have texture on my skin, and this works beautifully for me. But if you have extreme extreme textured skin, then I would say that just stay away from this blush, or any kind of any blush which has got like these kind of shimmer particles, because then that is gonna emphasize the texture of your skin. But if you have like just normal texture, like, of course we human have texture on our skin, like we are not plastic, right? So we do have texture. So if you have normal textured skin, this can work for you. But if you have extremely textured skin, or you are just facing bad skin days, or like acne is there on your face, like, so then it's not going to work for you. But other than that, you can really work with this one. So right here is the L'Oreal one, and you can see this is such a beautiful brownie mauve shade. I mean, this is not a pinky blush for sure. I am actually very bad explaining shades, but you can see, right, these are the pink ones, and this is more of a warm brown shade. So I really love this shade, you guys, so much, and I just highly recommend this one. I think I forgot to give you a swatch of Fit Me blush, so let me just give you that as well. So here it is. This is the Fit Me blush swatch, and this is the L'Oreal one. Both of these are illuminating blushes, and you can see the difference, right? This is more of a very nude shade, and this is a brownie and a very warm blush. So if you want to invest in a good illuminating blush which is not super expensive, I think you can definitely try this one out and you would just love it. So the next blush that I'm going to talk about is this one, and this is the Nykaa Get Cheeky Blush Duo, and the shade is Brazilian Bombshell 01. You have got 2 shades in this one. Again, this one has a magnetic closure which is so good and makes it travel friendly, and once you open this up, there you have 2 blushes. This one is more of a nude kind of a shade, pinky nude, and this is of a bright brownie shade, if I can say that. Like, you can just see that closely. This one retails for $699, and you are getting 2 shades in this one, so you are actually paying for one and getting 2 shades, and which is so good. So I would say this is a amazing purchase because this is so affordable. I mean, the quantity that you're getting, you are getting 9 gram of product. I think this is the highest quantity that you're getting out of all these blushes. The other one, which is the K Beauty one, you're getting 8 gram of product for $799. This is for $699, and you are getting 9 gram of product. So you can see right here, this is the Fit Me blush, and this is the Nykaa one. So these are like quite close, not completely same, but very close, and this is the brighter one. So these are again quite pigmented. I would not say these are extremely pigmented. So this is like, I would say, the right amount of pigment, which is so easily blendable and which is so easily buildable as well. So if you're a beginner, you can definitely go for this blush duo. Let me just give you a look how this looks. This is, as I said, is not extremely pigmented, and you can just mix both these shades together. Make sure to dust off the excess and then apply that on your cheeks. Again, this one is illuminating blush. So this has got shimmery particles, but again, those shimmery particles are just like very less in quantity, just like the Fit Me ones. So this is again not gonna emphasize the texture of your skin. I'm telling you this because I don't want you to buy something which is of no use for you. So that is why I'm just saying it very clearly that if you have extreme texture on your skin, then you don't want to buy these kind of blushes. But if you have normal textured skin, then you can definitely buy this one. You can see how beautiful this is looking on my cheeks, and it is giving, you know, such a beautiful glow to my face. So travel friendly, you know, you don't want to carry so many different products. So if you have something like this, you can actually carry this when you're traveling, and you can get different looks, you know, out of one particular palette. So I just highly recommend this one, and just go grab this one. This is so affordable, so good quality. I think I said it so many times, but I just highly recommend this one. Just go for this one, you guys, and you would love this. Alright, so it's time for the last blush, and this is the blush that I'm going to talk about. This is the Milani Baked Blush, and the shade is Rose de Oro. So again, the packaging is so damn beautiful, and this is again one of those blushes that I bought, you know, when I was starting off with makeup. This is such a beautiful blush. This is definitely very expensive. This one retails for 1200 bucks, I think, and this is definitely expensive, you guys. So this is a high-end blush. So it completely depends on you, because I just love this blush so much, and this has got shimmer particles. I mean, this is a baked blush, and you can see that, right? This is so damn beautiful, and this can actually work as a blush topper. You just apply your blush and just apply this on top of that, and this looks phenomenal. Let me just give you, you know, let me just show you guys, because I just cannot resist this blush, you guys. This is so damn beautiful. So you want to just take it on your brush and just apply that on your face, and just love this blush so much. Again, as I said, this has got shimmer particles, very nicely milled shimmer particles, but this is definitely gonna, you know, emphasize the texture of your skin. So if you have textured skin, you don't wanna buy this one, you guys. To be very clear, you don't want to use this works beautifully for me. I mean, I am showing you very closely so that you guys can see that how this looks on skin. But if you have textured skin, this is gonna emphasize the texture so badly. So just keep that in your mind. Again, not extremely pigmented, but yeah, the right amount of pigment again, and you can definitely build it up. And you know, this gives you such an amazing glow that you can completely skip your, you know, highlighter when you're applying this one. Actually, I just don't apply highlighter most of the time when I am applying this blush, because this gives such beautiful shine and glow to your face. So you don't need another highlighter. So right here is the Milani blush. You can see this is such a beautiful nudish brown shade. This is not too bold, so you can actually apply this for your, you know, no makeup looks as well. This is such a beautiful shade, you guys. You can see, right? I can't recommend this blush more. I mean, this is such a bomb product, you guys. If you are not tight on budget, just go grab this one, and you would just love it. And I just love it so much, so I just highly recommend this one. All right, you guys, so these are all the blushes, and I just highly recommend all these blushes to you guys. I just love all these blushes. I have shown you very affordable ones and expensive ones, so you can make your own decision which one you want to go for according to the shades and the price range, whatever you like. But I just love all these blushes so much, and I just, you know, want you to try these blushes out. You would love, you know, any of the blush that you want to try. Just try these blushes. These are some amazing blushes available in the market, and all of these are available in India, so you can easily, you know, get these blushes. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video and also found this video helpful. If you did, then make sure to like this video, and also subscribe to my channel if you like my content. And yeah, that is what I have today for you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay at home, and yeah, I love you guys all so much. Bye bye.